How to mount LA167-B2 push-button switch. Metal type installation. Prepare an installation panel. The panel thickness should not exceed 6 millimeters. Disassemble the button by rotating it into the head and the contact base. Optionally, install the self-locking contact module or the illuminated contact module separately. Insert the head into the hole with a diameter of 22.3 millimeters. Align and insert the contact module, then rotate it into the fixed position. Tighten the screws alternately using a crosshead screwdriver. Ensure the head is perpendicular to the base. Plastic type installation. Insert the head into the hole with a diameter of 22.3 millimeters. Screw in the nut behind the panel and use a specialized installation wrench to assist in tightening the head. Align the base module with the corresponding slot position. When disassembling plastic-type products, insert a screwdriver into the pry hole and lift downwards to separate the contact base module.